This is how I build large faux floral bouquets without cramping my hand. I start by tearing off around 20 pieces of floral tape and I set these aside at my workstation. These are the first two stems I'll be using to build my base. This is the shape I want, so I'm going to bring the two stems together, positioned straight down, and I add a dot of hot glue where they connect. I then take one of those pieces of floral tape and I press this into the hot glue so it's securely attached. I then wrap the floral tape around the two stems to bond them together. I finish with another dot of hot glue to seal the floral tape wrapping. Since these are wired stems, I then bend them into that V shape that I originally showed you, and now the stems are exactly where I want them and they won't shift around as I continue adding in stems and building the design. You don't have to use the hot glue if your floral tape is really tacky, but this tape isn't very sticky and it starts to come unraveled after some time, so I use the hot glue to ensure it stays bonded really well. I do one of these stem wrappings after every 2 to 3 stems that I add to the bouquet. Consistently wrapping the stems allows me to get each individual flower or greenery piece right where I want it and at the exact angle. But the other advantage is that I don't have to worry about trying to hold all the other stems that I've already added in one hand while I'm working. That can start to be really painful and your hand will start to cramp. So with this method, I can set the bouquet down and take a break if needed, and my stems will be right where I place them in the design.